Trinity College London has teamed up with Bristol Beacon Music Service and Music for Youth to put on an event called Together for Music. It's the first event of its kind and something that, as an organisation, Trinity College London is incredibly happy to be supporting.
Today was a fantastic pilot for us. This is what this space has been made for, so I really hope that we can build on this and grow and provide even more opportunities for these amazing young people to perform.
Events like today are really important because no one's done them before, and that really makes a pathway for other events. It's really a learning process to see how we work with inclusive ensembles on mass participatory days, on big events, on big festivals, just like non-disabled musicians do all the time.
It's always incredible and inspiring to watch these young people perform. It's inspiring because you can see the talent that they've got. You can also see the joy that they're getting from performing.
There is a stage at which we have to go through to acclimatise young musicians to what it feels like to perform in a big hall with all the noise and all the stimulation going on. We have to kind of get through that in order that we can programme events that are truly inclusive.
Resources are really stretched for everyone, for us to really impact on everyone. Partnerships are key to that and making that work, and it's about all of us taking responsibility and working together to make things happen for children and young people. So that's why I think it's really important to have the relationships that we've had today.
Ultimately, we want to have a position where all events are just full of every kind of young person and young performer.
It makes me really excited about what we can do in the future and just provide many more experiences like this for people to perform on this fantastic stage.
Music's all about breaking down barriers, and there shouldn't be any barriers in music education. It should be open to everybody and anybody who wants to be involved in it. And I think today clearly demonstrates that anybody can be involved in music making. To be at events like this and to see these come to fruition makes me immensely proud.